Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Today I will show you how you can easily back update your time of your website. So this is my website and here you can see a post from my author Davis. He published an article on March 2024, but I want to update this time and date, but I don't want to update a single post. I want to update in bulk so that all the posts I have all get updated. So let's do it. First let's go to dashboard, then go to plugin and add new plugin, then here search bug update time. So I got a plugin bug post update date, and here you can see a plugin bug post update date. Now I will activate it. Then go to settings and bulk post update date. Then select your categories and distribution into one last hour. Then I selected all the categories, and you can select text also, but I have selected already categories, so no need to select the text. Now I will update post dates, and it's done. Now let's go back to my website. From here, here is one of my posts all updated to the latest date. So that's the process, and it is a very easy process that you can use to update your all post, and also you can update the latest update time, which will affect on your issue that it is a updated post. So that will be a very helpful for you. So thank you.